Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of calls not responding on the application of Messenger. You will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Messenger app. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi. Then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.